Hi everyone, welcome back to channel. Today, check out this Alibaba verified motion sensor kitchen cabinet light, smart, wireless and easy to install. Today video topic is top best Alibaba verified motion sensor cabinet lights, product 012 pack rechargeable LED. Motion sensor light bars, product detail. Ever open a cabinet at night and wish the light would just turn on by itself? This 2-pack rechargeable LED motion sensor light bar does exactly that. It automatically lights up when you move and turns off when you leave. Completely hands-free, no wires, no drilling and no batteries to replace. These 7.8-inch ultra slim lights are perfect for kitchens, closets, hallways and under cabinets. They are USB rechargeable, easy to install and come as a 2-pack for extra coverage. Once you install them, you'll wonder how you live without them. Check the product link in the description and light up your home the smart way. Product 02EH Ultra Thin Motion Sensor LED. Under cabinet. Like product detail. Still struggling with dark cabinets and closets? Meet the EGH Ultra Thin Motion Sensor LED light. The smart lighting upgrades your home needs. It automatically turns on when you walk by and switches off when you leave. No switches, no effort. It's USB rechargeable, ultra slim and installs in seconds. No drilling, no wiring. Perfect for kitchens, closets, pantries, stairs and more. Clean design, smart technology and energy-saving performance. All in one light. Check the link in the description and upgrade your home lighting today. Product 03 Cabinet Lights, Magnetic Under Cabinet Lighting, USB, Rechargeable, Motion Sensor, LED Strip Light. Product detail. Ever open a cabinet or walk into your kitchen at night and wish the lights would turn on automatically? Meet the Magnetic Under Cabinet Motion Sensor LED light. This smart LED light turns on instantly when it detects motion and shuts off by itself to save power. No wiring, no tools, just stick it on with the Magneti. Product 04 Modern RoHS Certified LED Cabinet Light Bar. Product detail. Looking for an easy way to upgrade your kitchen lighting? Meet the Modern RoHS Certified LED Cabinet Light Bar. This sleek aluminum light installs easily under cabinets or counters and gives you bright, smooth and energy-efficient lighting right where you need it. With its smart touch and sensor switch, turning it on is as simple as one tap. The soft plastic shade reduces glare, making it perfect for cooking, late-night snacks or workspace lighting. It's modern, durable and designed for today's homes. Want your kitchen to look cleaner, brighter and more premium? Check the product link in the description and upgrade your space today. Product 05 Upgrade Rechargeable Wireless Under Cabinet Light. Product detail. Still dealing with dark cabinets and messy wires? Meet the Upgrade Rechargeable Wireless Under Cabinet Light. This smart LED light turns on automatically when it senses motion and shuts off when you're gone. No drilling, no tools. Just stick it on and you're done. It's rechargeable, super bright and perfect for kitchens, closets, stairs and hallways. Clean design, smart lighting, zero hassle. Once you install it, you will wonder how you live without it. Check the link in the description and upgrade your home today. Product 06 Indoor Wireless Magnetic LED Motion Sensor Night Light. Product detail. Ever walk through your home at night and wish the lights would turn on automatically? Meet the new 2025 Indoor Wireless Motion Sensor Night Light. This smart LED light detects movement instantly and lights up your space. No switches, no wires, no hassle. With dual lighting modes and a magnetic wall mount, installation takes just seconds. Perfect for hallways, bedrooms, closets, stairs and bathrooms. Soft, high-friendly light keeps your home safe without disturbing your sleep. Smart, stylish and energy efficient. This is the night light every American home needs in 2025. Check the product link in the description and upgrade your home today. Product 070NN X5G Smart Cabinet Sensor Light. Product detail. Ever opened an electrical cabinet and struggled to see inside? Meet the ONN X5G Smart Cabinet Sensor Light. This powerful LED light turns on automatically when you open the cabinet and shuts off when you close it. no switches, no wasted energy. With bright 2835 LED chips and easy magnetic or screw installation, it's perfect for electrical panels, control cabinets, and tool storage, compact, smart, and built for professionals. The ONN X5G makes every job safer and easier. Check the product link in the description and upgrade your cabinet lighting today. Product 08EH Wireless Round Motion Sensor LED Night. Light product detail. Ever wake up at night and wish the lights could turn on by themselves? This is the EGH Wireless Motion Sensor LED Night Light, and it's a total game changer. It automatically lights up when it detects motion and turns off when you leave. No switches, no wires. It's battery powered, super easy to install, and perfect for bedrooms, closets, hallways, or cabinets. The soft LED glow is gentle on your eyes, making nighttime movement safer and stress-free. If you want smart, simple lighting for your home, check the product link in the description and grab yours today. Product 09 RGB Color Underbed Motion Sensor LED Lights. Product detail. Imagine getting out of bed at night and your room lights up automatically. These RGB motion sensor underbed LED lights turn on the moment you move and shut off when you're gone. No harsh lights, no switches, just smooth, colorful glow. Perfect for bedrooms, stairs, hallways, and bathrooms. USB rechargeable, easy to install, and fully adjustable RGB colors to match your vibe. This is one of the top trending home products of 2024 and 25. Check the product link in the description and upgrade your nights today. Product 10 Battery Powered Motion Sensor LED Lights. Product detail. Still turning on lights in the dark? This hot product of 2025 is changing everything. These battery powered motion sensor LED lights turn on automatically when you walk by. No switches, no wires, and no hassle. Perfect for kitchens, cabinets, closets, hallways, or stairs. They're rechargeable, energy saving, and super easy to install. Just stick and go. Sleek, smart, and incredibly practical. Check the product link in the description and upgrade your home lighting today. Product 11 BALOM Modern Smart Integrated Kitchen Cabinet. Product detail. Are you ready to take your kitchen to the next level? Meet the BALOM Modern Smart Integrated Kitchen Cabinet, a perfect blend of style, technology, and smart storage. With its motion sensor LED lighting, your cabinet lights up automatically, keeping your kitchen safe and energy efficient. Its adjustable compartments and sleek design make organizing easier than ever. Perfect for modern homes, tech lovers, and anyone who loves a clutter-free, elegant space. Upgrade your kitchen today with BALOM and experience smart living at its finest. Product 12H&S 101D Smart Daylight Switch. Product detail. Hey everyone, meet the H&S 101D Smart Daylight Switch, your new smart lighting solution. With its microwave motion sensor, it detects movement up to 15 meters and automatically adjusts your lights with a smooth step dimming function. Perfect for energy saving and hands-free convenience at home, office, or any workspace. Easy to install with built-in mounting and works seamlessly with 1224V DC. Don't waste another watt upgrade to smart, efficient lighting today. Check it out in the description below. Product 13 Custom Rechargeable LED Motion Sensor Light. Product detail. Tired of fumbling in the dark? Meet the custom rechargeable LED motion sensor light, your perfect solution for cabinets, closets, kitchens, and bedrooms. With smart motion sensors, it lights up automatically when you need it and goes off when you don't, saving energy and hassle. Choose from 20 to 80 centimeters to fit any space and enjoy easy, tool-free installation anywhere in your home. Soft, modern LED lighting adds style and convenience to every corner. Upgrade your home lighting today. Click the link below and brighten up your life. Product 1415.7-inch rechargeable LED lights with motion sensor RGB cabinet. Lights, product, detail. Looking to add a touch of magic to your home, hotel, or bar? Check out this 15.7-inch rechargeable LED light with motion sensor. It's wireless, super easy to install, and lights up your space the moment you walk by. Choose from vibrant RGB colors or soft warm tones to create the perfect mood. Perfect for bedrooms, closets, cabinets, or any indoor space. No wires, no hassle, just smart, stylish lighting that works for you. Click the link and bring your space to life today. Brighten your kitchen instantly. Click the link and get yours today.